In today's digital world, it's important to secure your business against the inevitable cyber threats and safeguard its future with cyber liability insurance.
Welcome to another video from JMW Insurance Solutions. Today, we are going to cover these topics: understanding cyber insurance, cybercrime statistics. What does cyber insurance cover? The scope of cyber insurance coverage. Why choose JMW Insurance Solutions? And what you can do to prepare for cyber threats. Cyber insurance, also known as cyber liability insurance, protects your business from the financial consequences of various cyber threats like hacking, phishing, ransomware attacks, or employee data leaks, becoming an essential component of modern risk management strategies. The alarming financial implications of cyber attacks highlight the importance of cyber insurance in mitigating risks and potentially saving businesses millions. These statistics emphasize the growing threat landscape and the relief provided by comprehensive cyber liability insurance. A University of Maryland study reveals a cyber attack occurs every 39 seconds, impacting 1 in 3 Americans yearly. Cybersecurity Ventures predicts cybercrime will cost the world $6 trillion annually by 2021, surpassing the global trade of all major illegal drugs. Pullman Institute's IBM 2020 report shows an average data breach cost of $3.86 million and a 280-day timeframe for breach identification and containment. Verizon's data breach investigations report states that 28% of 2020's data breaches involved small businesses. IBM Cost of a Data Breach Report 2020 discloses that financial motivations drive 80% of cyber attacks. A robust cyber liability insurance policy covers various expenses related to a cyber incident, such as legally required customer notifications, website restoration, handling extortion attempts, and compensating affected clients, customers, and suppliers. Additionally, it may cover business interruption losses, reimburse income loss due to compromised systems, and address inadvertent copyright breaches. Understanding your cyber liability insurance is essential for protecting your business from cyber threats and maintaining customer trust. This insurance covers data breach costs, business interruption, restoration expenses, legal fees, reputational damage, and extortion costs, ensuring you find a tailored policy with a trusted provider like JMW Insurance Solutions. Choose JMW Insurance Solutions for cyber liability insurance because we are your trusted partner in securing your business against cyber risks. We offer tailored policies, risk evaluation, extensive coverage, a proactive approach to cybersecurity, and expert support. With JMW Insurance Solutions, you're investing in a partnership that ensures your business is protected in the digital age. To prepare for cyber threats, focus on prevention by establishing a strong cybersecurity framework. Conduct regular risk assessments, train employees, enforce strong password policies, keep software updated, backup data, and have an incident response plan in place. While proactive measures reduce risks, cyber liability insurance serves as a safety net in case of a breach. Don't wait until it's too late. Secure your future with JMW Insurance Solutions, your trusted partner in cyber liability insurance. Call 951501290 or visit jmwinsurancesolutions.com.